Welcome to our tutorial on how to manage receiving notifications from anyone on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings to suit your preferences. To begin, log in to x.com using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon located on the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Web Notifications from the sidebar options. This will take you to the Notification Settings section, where you can make adjustments to your notification preferences. Now, within the Web Notification Settings, look for the option to change the notification settings to receive notifications by anyone. Adjust the drop-down selections accordingly to allow notifications from anyone. Once you have selected the option to receive notifications from anyone, remember to click Save Changes to apply the updated settings to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize your notification preferences on Twitter to stay informed and connected with your audience. Take control of your notification settings on Twitter by adjusting the preferences to receive notifications from anyone. Customize your notification settings today to ensure you never miss important updates and engagements on Twitter.